What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Safety glasses on for science. So, behind me I have a 2006 Toyota Corolla with 300,000 miles on it. And I've always wondered what would happen if we drained the oil and replaced it with good old Purple Power. I mean, it says power right on the box. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get to the live action. So, the big obvious here would be step one, drain the oil. I mean, pretty simple process, so yeah. Just so we're not lying here, you know, this is going to be all of the oil replaced with 5 quarts of the power. Okay, I mean, yeah, it's kind of still streaming, but there is 0 oil left. Here we go. Da-da-da! Purple Power! Okay. 4 quarts of the power down the hatch. What do y'all think is gonna happen to this thing? Is it gonna like sud up and start spewing soap out of all of its orifices? Is it gonna run for hours? I don't know. Type it down in the comments below. Okay. 4 quarts. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, definitely need more. Look at that. She's full on the mark. Yep. All right, boys and girls. Let's send this thing to the graveyard. All right, got the engine filled up with the Purple Power. First start. Here we go. So right about here is when the wheels started turning the old brain here, and I realized that Purple Power is a detergent, so it most definitely washed the bearings of all oil a lot quicker than what I thought it was going to do. But lo and behold, the Purple Power was pretty much a fail, and didn't run very long, as you can see in the video. Well, we revived the engine here a little bit on some oil, and then continued on with destroying the engine.
Because it doesn't have any hydraulic pressure? But it didn't have trouble that time. Turned over fine that time.
What is going on here?
Squealing.
Okay, we're about to drain the Purple Power, shove some oil back into this thing.
Lube it up and send it to the moon.
And then plan number 2, drain Purple Power, because I feel like it's hydraulicing the motor somehow. I think I'm gonna put 1 quart of oil in it and put the pedal to the metal. Just a little bit of that. So it seems like the engine has freed up once again after some cool down, and we did add some oil. So now I'm just gonna see how long it'll run.
Should have some oil there by now, I would think.
Yeah, I would think so. Okay, attempt 942. Well, we made it this far in the video. Sorry there wasn't an epic explosion of the engine. We tried and tried, cranked on her and cranked on her, and I felt like she was going to come back to life. But ultimately, she did. So. Alright, I'm done. Alright, boys and girls, so we got the engine freed back up, and she just didn't want to come back to life. So I think we'll probably end it off there. The Purple Power did nothing. It did not run hardly at all. We drained that back out, put some oil back in it. It started to get oil pressure, make less bearing noise, but ultimately wouldn't bust off. So that'll do it for this one. Like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.